Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. Children, as you all are aware that we have completed our unit 4 and today we are going to start our unit 5 and very interesting chapter today we are going to do in that. Now as you can see the heading on the board, that is cartoon time. Children, as you all were aware of it that you all love to see cartoons. Whenever you will get time or after the class or whenever you will free in the evening, then you just running to the television and watching different cartoons. Nowadays we have different number of cartoons in the television, in the program. Different cartoon channels were there and lot many cartoons were there and they are quite entertaining also. So today what we will do, that I knew that you all have seen many cartoons. So what I'll do here, today we will play a quiz. I will give you a clue. I will give you a clue and you have to tell me the name of that cartoon character. Fine. So I hope you all are get ready to start the quiz. So I'll start taking the quizzes and start giving clues to you. First I'll give you clue and then you have to tell me the answer. So let's start with the first one. This blue grey cat always chases Jerry, a naughty mouse. Which character is this? I'll repeat it. This blue grey cat always chases Jerry. Chases means उसके पीछे पीछे दौड़ता है. किसके पीछे? Jerry, which is a naughty mouse. वो जो बहुत एक शरारती चूहा है. What is the name of that blue and grey cat? Yes, correct. That is Tom. Number 1 is correct. That is Tom. And what is the name of the cartoon? That is Tom and Jerry. Tom and Jerry. And it is quite entertaining. If you will watch that cartoon, you will not feel ki there will be some break or something new we have came. And it's such an entertaining program. And Tom and Jerry is coming from so many years. And now also that Tom and Jerry is so entertaining. Now, Tom, you all have done. Now this spelling also you will write down in your book. The alphabets which are already written in your book, that you will not repeat it. Except those alphabet you will write the rest one. Now number 2. This little wooden man lives in Toyland. This little wooden man lives in Toyland. Which wooden man is living in Toyland? Any guesses? Yes. The name of that man is Noddy. The name of that man is Noddy. Noddy. Yes. Noddy. Fine. And Noddy is a man which is living in, where it is living? It is living in a Toyland. So, and it is a wooden man. It is a wooden man who is living in a Toyland, and more often you have seen that person, that Noddy, in Toyland. Noddy in Toyland. So here you can find out the image Noddy. This is Noddy. You can see this is Noddy. Fine. A person which is made up of wood and living in Toyland. Fine. Now I come to next, number 3. This lovely or this lovable bear loves his friends and wants them to be happy. This lovable bear loves his friends and wants them to be happy. Which bear is this? Now bear, so I have told you that this is a bear. So bear is one of the name. Now what is the name of that bear? Pooh. The name of the bear is Pooh Bear. Pooh Bear. Pooh Bear is living and he want to make his friends happy. Now let's move to our next cartoon time or cartoon character. This white duck with a yellow orange bill has orange legs and feet. He wears a sailor suit. I'll repeat it again. This white duck with a yellow orange bill has orange leg and feet. He wears a sailor suit. What is the name of that? Yes, the name of that character is Donald Duck. Donald Duck, quite famous character, Donald Duck, and Donald Duck and the three small ducks are also there, ducklings are also there, and that cartoon was quite entertaining. Now number 5 is this famous reporter goes everywhere with the loyal pet Snowy. What is the name of this? What is the name of this famous reporter which goes with his loyal pet Snowy? Tintin. Tintin. Tintin is the famous reporter which goes with his loyal pet, that is Snowy. Now number 6, this brave boy lives in the village Dholakpur. That is quite easy. Who is living? This brave boy is living in the village of Dholakpur. Who is this? Who is this? Number 6. Number 6 is Chota Bheem. Chota Bheem. And few more characters were there in that Chota Bheem. Chutki, then Dolu Bolu, and so many characters were there. So this brave boy was living in the village Dholakpur. So what is the answer of 6? That is Chota Bheem. Now come to number 7. This boy and his stepbrother Ferb invent new things each day of their summer vacation. What is the answer? Ferb is the name of his stepbrother. Phineas. Phineas and Ferb. The famous cartoon Phineas. P-H-I. Phineas and Ferb. Phineas and Ferb. And this famous cartoon in which that two boys were there, and the other boy was step brother of the first one, and they both invent new things in the summer vacations. So that is also quite entertaining, that always the bigger one was making mistakes and then smaller one was quite smarter. He's going to cope up with that boy. So that is also quite entertaining cartoon, Phineas and Ferb. Now number 8, he is a poet in Emperor Krishnadev Rai's court. He is a poet in Emperor Krishnadev Rai's court. He is very wise and witty. He is very wise and witty. Tenali Raman. Number 8 is Tenali Raman. Tenali Raman. Fine. These are the quite famous characters from our cartoon, and nowadays we will find it out different cartoons based on these cartoon character. So let's find it out what we have done, the clues and what are the answers you have given to me. So let's revise. Number 1 was this blue grey cat always chases Jerry, which is a naughty mouse, and the name of that cat is correct, that is Tom. Number 1 answer is Tom. 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 Tom and Jerry is the famous cartoon in which Tom is always running behind the that naughty mouse. That name of that naughty mouse is Jerry. Now number 2, this little wooden man lives in Toyland, and I have shown you Noddy. Noddy, you can see here Noddy. Fine. This picture is of Noddy, and we can see different picture. And this Noddy is living in a Toyland. This Noddy is living in a Toyland. So now next, this lovable bear loves his friends and wants them to be happy. Pooh Bear. Pooh Bear is a bear which loves his friends a lot and wants to make them happy always. Now, number 4, this white duck with a yellow-orange bill has orange legs and feet. He wears a sailor suit. Fine. And what is the name of that duck is Donald Duck. And in that cartoon we have Donald Duck as well as 3 ducklings are also there. And they were playing all those things and all the cartoon will be happen. Donald Duck. Now number 5, this famous reporter goes everywhere with his loyal pet. The name of that pet is Snowy. The name of that famous reporter is Tintin. The name of the famous reporter is Tintin. Now come to number 6. This brave boy lives in the village of Dholakpur. That is Chota Bheem. That is Chota Bheem. Now number 7. This boy and his stepbrother Ferb invent new things each day of their summer vacation. That is Phineas. Phineas and Ferb. Phineas and Ferb. They both invent different things in their summer vacations. So now next is what? He is a poet in the Emperor of Krishna Dev Rai's court, and he is very wise and witty. So who is that? Tenali Raman. And nowadays you were watching a serial also that is related to Tenali Rama. Fine. On Sub TV it is going to come. It is coming only. Now write the correct letter in the box. Now we'll do the next exercise which is related to this cartoon characters only. Write the correct letter in the boxes to match with the clue. Now again you have been given with a few of the characters, and that characters you have to play, you have to match with the name of the cartoon. Now number 1, Chota Bheem's friend. The girl who cares deeply for Bheem and his jungle friend. Who is that? That is Chutki. So in front of Chutki you will write 1. In front of Chutki you will write 1. Now Chota Bheem, a friend of Chota Bheem, a girl which cares of Chota Bheem and his other friends. So the answer for 1 is Chutki. The answer for 1 is Chutki. So in front of Chutki you will write 1. In front of Chutki you have that one box. Na? So in that box you will write 1. Now next is a fat blue cat who spent the day watching television. Which fat blue cat spent the time in watching television? Any guesses? This cartoon is now also it is coming. So now this cartoon is quite common nowadays, Ogie and the Cockroaches. Now this is a fat blue cat which is your Ogie only, and the name of that character is Ogie. Ogie and the Cockroaches is nowadays it quite famous, and 3 cockroaches were there and they always fighting them to each other. Now number 3, owner of the Omnitrix. Owner of the Omnitrix, that is Ben 10. Owner of the Omnitrix is Ben 10. Number 4, the one who helped Lord Rama. The one who helped Lord Rama, that is Hanuman. That is Hanuman. Hanuman helped Lord Rama a lot. Fine. He helped to find it out that where is Sita is kept, and then they have fight with that king, and then they will come back. And along with Rama, he spent a lot of time in that forest also. Now, three little girls with superpowers, that is power puff girls. Power puff girls. Now number 6, Powerpuff Girls. After Powerpuff Girls, now next what we have, a big dog who loves to eat. A big dog, Scooby-Doo. Scooby-Doo is the big dog which loves to eat. So let's revise all these characters which we have done right now. First one is Chota Bheem's friend, the girl who cares deeply for Bheem and his jungle friends. That is Chutki. Chutki is the friend of Chota Bheem who takes care about Chota Bheem and his jungle friends. Now number 2, a fat blue cat. A fat blue cat who spent the day while watching television. That is Ogi. Ogi is the fat blue cat which spent most of the time by watching TV. Now next is owner of Omnitrix, Ben 10. Ben 10 is the owner of Omnitrix. Number 4, the one who helped Lord Rama. Hanuman helped Lord Rama a lot. Now next is 5th, 3 little girls with superpower. Powerpuff Girls. Powerpuff Girls. Now number 6 is a big dog who loves to eat. A big dog who loves to eat. Who is that? That is Scooby-Doo. Now children, we have an important tidbits in our book that Walt Disney created many famous cartoon characters such as Mickey Mouse, Pluto and Goofy. That is very important. This Walt Disney, the name of this this name Walt Disney is very important because he created so many cartoon characters like Mickey Mouse, Pluto and Goofy. Disneyland in California. Again, Disneyland in California, United States is a theme park where you can meet all your favorite Disney cartoon characters. Now in this you have two important things. First of all, this name Walt Disney. Now Walt Disney has created so many characters like Mickey Mouse, Goofy and then Pluto, so many characters. So this name in the cartoon industries, it's very important. Walt Disney has created so many cartoons. And Disneyland in California. Where is this Disneyland? Disneyland is in California. It is there in California, and California which is in US, and this California, this Disneyland, here you are going to find it out different cartoon characters. You can meet Donald Duck, you can meet Mickey Mouse, you can meet Tom and Jerry, and all the different cartoon characters you will meet over there. So with this we have completed this cartoon time. What we have seen in this cartoon time, we have seen different clues related to cartoon characters. After that, what we have seen? Then we have seen different cartoons, characters, friends, and what are the different name of those cartoon characters. After that we have done tidbits. Walt Disney is a huge name in the field of cartoons. Fine, and after that we have seen that Disneyland, which is in California, US, you can go over there and you can meet different cartoon characters. So with this we have completed this page number 34, that is cartoon time, which is our first page of unit 5. So now we are going to do our next page of the same unit 5. So we'll start that page just now. So now children, our next topic which we are going to do if we'll talk about cartoon, then how can we forget about story? So stories, we all love to hear stories from our mother, from our father, or those who are living with our grandfather or grandmother. So daily, on daily basis, whenever they are going to sleep, they were hearing different kind of stories from our mother or from our grandmother, from grandfather. So and most of the time they were speaking only moral stories, and those stories from which you can learn something. So that kind of a story only we are going to find it out today. Today we are going to do this chapter, page number 16, that is story time. Now what is there here? You have been given with some pictures, and from that picture you have to find it out what is the name of that story. So let's find it out. So let's find it out. Our first story. In the first story, one grasshopper was sitting. Okay, I'll describe the story and then you are going to tell me the name of that story. That what is the name of the story? That grasshopper is sitting and ants are moving near the grasshopper and collecting all the things. So what is that story name? Yes, the story name is The Ant and the Grasshopper. The name of the story is The Ant and the Grasshopper. Might be you all have heard this story also. Fine. And what is that story? That I'll tell you the name of the story and then you can find it out from different books and all. Now the second picture of that story which is given in your book, that is a boy who is shouting and sheep are also moving nearby them. And what is the name of that story? Number 2, the name of the story is The Boy Who Cried Wolf. Now what happened in this story? In this story what happened? One boy was there, one shepherd boy was there, and that shepherd boy was always he is shouting that wolf has came, and is shouting help, 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 help. And every villager is going near that boy, and then the boy was saying that I am only just confirming that if wolf will come then you all will come or not. So repeatedly that boy has done it several times. बहुत बार उसने किया. वो हमेशा चिल्लाता था कि भेड़िया आ गया, and everybody is running to help him. But क्या हुआ, एक दिन जब सच में भेड़िया आ गया, then everybody has said कि नहीं, वो तो रोज ऐसी बहाना करता है, वो रोज ऐसी झूठ बोलता है, तो अभी कोई भेड़िया नहीं आया होगा, ही इज ओनली टेलिंग अ लाई, तो अभी जाने की जरूरत नहीं है, ठीक है, वो ऐसे ही रोज बोलता है. तो व्हेन दैट वोल्फ हैज केम एक्चुअली, देन व्हाट हैपेंड, वो उसकी शीप्स को भी खा गया और फिर बड़ी मुश्किल से उसने अपनी जान बचाई. और उसके बाद द मॉरल ऑफ द स्टोरी इज कि हमें कभी भी किसी को फूल नहीं करना चाहिए, क्योंकि जब हम एक्चुअल प्रॉब्लम में आते हैं एंड देन वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू बिलीव एनी वन. नाउ द नेक्स्ट इज इन विच जैकल jump into a tumbler which is filled with blue color. What is the name of that story? The Blue Jackal. The Blue Jackal. See, this story is also quite interesting. Fine. What is that story? That one day what happened, one jackal was there in the village, in the forest, and that jackal was doing, that jackal was going to the nearby villages and then taking the food and then running. So one day what happened, all the villagers were started running behind that jackal, and then what happened, वो jackal अपनी जान बचाने के लिए एक ऐसा टम्बलर में blue color भरा हुआ था. इन दैट ही ही वॉज जैप्ड, तो उस पे कूद गया एंड दैट जैकल विल बिकम होल ब्लू। एंड विद दैट काइंड ऑफ ए कंडीशन जब वो वापस फॉरेस्ट पहुंचा, somebody, सबके मन में सारे एनिमल्स हैड अ थॉट कि ये तो कोई और ही आ गया है, इट इज कोई somebody else विच इज नॉट फ्रॉम आवर फॉरेस्ट, और वो तो मतलब तो दे स्टार्टेड प्लीजिंग दैट जैकल। तो वो प्लीजिंग मतलब उसकी सेवा करने लगे, उसका ख्याल रखने लगे। देन दे हैड अ थॉट कि भाई उनको क्या लगा कि ये तो बहुत मतलब कोई पहुंचे हुए है, एंड दैट जैकल प्रिटेंडेड लाइक कि उसको सब कुछ पता है, बिकॉज ही इज फ्रॉम द फॉरेस्ट ओनली, उसको पता ही था। बट उसने प्रिटेंड किया कि वो कोई साधु महात्मा है, ही इज कोई प्रीस्ट वगैरह की तरह है, एंड ही इज से कि अच्छा ओके योर नेम इज दिस एंड दैट, और वो प्रिटेंड करने लगा। देन एवरीबडी स्टार्टेड प्लीजिंग हिम। तो वन डे व्हाट हैपेंड, जब एकदम बारिश का मौसम हो गया एंड देन दैट स्टार्टेड रेनिंग, तो वो जैकल के ऊपर से जितना ब्लू कलर था दैट वाज वॉश्ड अवे। तब सबको समझ आया फॉरेस्ट में कि ही इज नॉट वही कोई प्रीस्ट और ऐसा नहीं था, ही वॉज फूलिंग ओनली। एंड देन दैट जैकल ने बड़ी मुश्किल से अपनी जान बचा के वो वहां से भागा। ओके, नाउ द नेक्स्ट पिक्चर इज टू स्वैन वर देयर, और एक टर्टल है, and the swan were carrying that turtle in the stick. So what is that story? The turtle that fell off the stick. The name of the story is the turtle that fell off the stick. Now this is also a quite interesting story. You can find the story easily in on website or on any YouTube also you will find it out. You go and just see that story. इसमें भी क्या होता है, in one pond two swans and one turtle was living. तो डे बाय डे बहुत गर्मी की वजह से वहाँ पे पानी कम हो जाता है। Then swans have said कि we will go to some other place जहाँ पे बहुत सारा पानी होगा। देन टर्टल हैड थॉट कि भी आप मुझे भी ले चलो, बिकॉज आई कैन नॉट गो ओवर देयर, मैं नहीं जा पाऊंगा, आप मुझे भी ले चलो। तो उन्होंने ठीक है, दे हैव कैरिड वन स्टिक, एक स्टिक पकड़ लिया और टर्टल को बोला कि यू विल होल्ड दैट स्टिक विद द माउथ बट यू विल नॉट ओपन योर माउथ। बट फिर टर्टल ने क्या हुआ, टर्टल आधे रास्ते में गया एंड दैट समबडी हैज आस्क्ड समथिंग, उसने बोला और ही फेल डाउन। आप ये स्टोरी देखेंगे, it is quite interesting. Now fifth one is the hare and the tortoise. Hare is the rabbit, only the rabbit which is living in the jungle, that is called the hare. Hare and the tortoise, again an interesting story. Race के बारे में है, how the tortoise won the race, and that story also you will be aware of it. Now the next is Tenali Raman and two thieves. Now what is that story? It is quite interesting story. Tenali Raman and two thieves. Now what is that story? In this story Tenali Raman, as you all knowing it, that he is a courtier among the emperor. अभी हमने किया था एक एम्परर के वहाँ पे कोर्टियर था, एंड ही इज क्वाइट इंटेलिजेंट. व्हाट ही हैज डन, वन डे व्हाट हैपन, उसके घर में पेड़ जो थे, खेत थे, वो सूख रहे थे, एंड ही सेड कि भी पानी कैसे डाले, रात पे बहुत थक गए, कैसे डाले. देन ही हैड अ प्लान कि उसने क्या किया, उसने ऐसा उनके घर में आकर के दो चोर बैठ गए. अब उसको पता लग गया कि द टू थीव्स वर सिटिंग ओवर देयर. उसने क्या किया, उसने अपना बोला कि चलो ठीक है, हम सारा सोना कुएं में छिपा देते हैं. फिर उसने ऐसा एनेक्ट किया कि उस पे ईंट पत्थर वगैरह डाल करके वो जो संदूक था उसको पानी में डाल दिया. एंड थीव्स ने क्या किया, रात भर में पूरा पानी निकाल निकाल के कुएं में से पूरे उनके खेतों को पानी दे दिया. एंड देन ही फाइंड इट आउट कि उसमें कुछ भी नहीं है, और बाद में सुबह वो लोग पकड़े भी गए. So that is a story type. Quite interesting stories we have seen today. So what is your homework for today? You are going to see all these short stories on YouTube. And here we are going to finish our class for today. That's all for today, children. Have a good day.